So this is the intro to the plumbing of the shed because my original intro got lost. Yeah, I lost the original intro. Basically, what we have here is the water comes up in the ground.
Water comes up from the ground into the wall there. It goes up in the ceiling. The water over there. And then it goes up in the wall and over, down from the wall. Spigot and also spigot on the inside for the process.
Good job.
We did all the plumbing of Uponor Pex For Shed.
Yep. And we have this expansion tool. Remember how to use this?
Yeah.
How do you use it?
Like this.
Yep. So Uponor Pex A, and so far there's no leaks, right? And how is the water?
We got leaked last year. We did it.
There was a leak?
Yeah.
All right.
Last.
Yeah, he's ratting me out. So we had a leak, but we fixed it, right?
Right.
Yeah. So how does the water work? Does it work good?
This is hot. That's cold.
It's cold? Hold on. Is it heating up? It is. Is it hot? Oh, perfect.
That's blood in my finger.
No, it doesn't. It's not that hot. It only gets to like 115 degrees. So we got hot water, we got cold water, we got the drain hooked up. So here's a video of putting it all together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Yep, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. Goodbye, Poopy Patches. Good job.
Thank you. So I gotta cut this right here. So a buddy of mine told me what he does is he uses a copper cutter and scores it to get a nice straight line, and then follows up with the tubing cutter, but you have a nice perfect line on there. So I'll score this. And I don't know how well it'll show up, but there's a perfect scored line around this tube now. So then I can take my tubing cutter and kind of follow it. It seems like the blade almost follows the score marks too. And then it ends up with a perfect nice cut on there. So this will go up here. I'm gonna put a 90 on it and then send it through there, 90 up. There's my ring. It only goes on one way. It's got a little lip on this side. The ring on, all the way down. There we go. All right, so I got a little bit too much pipe, so I'm gonna drop it down.
Down to the bottom from where all the tools are.
Where the tools are, yep. All right, so you see this little ring?
Or to get it down there.
See this little ring?
Uh-huh.
This is an expansion ring. And that's what's gonna hold this on there nice and tight. So this is called Uponor. Can you say
Uponor.
Uponor, exactly. And that's
Upa-poopy.
Upa-poopy.
Upa-poopy on your face.
Yeah, so this is...
There's poop on your face.
There might be poop on my face, but I'll clean it up later. So that's what this is. This is an Uponor expansion tool.
Wow. Can I touch it?
Sure can.
Can I use it?
2 hands.
Whoa.
All right, so see the trigger? Go ahead and squeeze the trigger and watch the front of it. See how it opens up? Isn't that cool? And it also rotates. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna let you do this. All right? So press the trigger again so that closes. A little more, right there, okay? So look at me, I'm gonna give you some directions. You're gonna take the tip of this, it's gonna go in here, and you're gonna squeeze the trigger, and you're gonna expand it. And you're gonna let it click a whole bunch of times.
Get it closer.
Yep, and then I'm gonna tell you, okay, pull it off, and you're gonna pull it off, I'm gonna take it, and you're gonna take this, and you're gonna stick it in right here. And you see these little nubs? See these little nubs? That goes all the way down like this. So that's going to go all the way in. Okay? All right, so go ahead and put it in there. And keep going. Keep holding it. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Don't let go. One more. Okay. Pull the trigger again. You got to take it off. Pull the trigger again. All right. Squeeze it. Push this on there. I got this. Squeeze it in. Push it in all the way. Perfect. All right. Now hold it there for a little bit.
Is this where the old water's going to come from?
This is where the water's going to come from.
But is it going to come from the spring?
From the what?
From the springs?
From the springs.
And it's going to do... remember the sink thing down there.
Yep, we're going to put a sink down there. So this is going to go to the back side of the shed where you can put the garden hose.
We have to make a basement down there somewhere.
A basement?
But we just wash our clothes. Look, my clothes.
No, we got the basement in the house. All right, so see that? That's nice and tight now. Try to take it off. Pretty cool, huh? So what do you think? You want to be a plumber when you get older?
No, I want to be just like you.
Just like me? Plumbers make a lot of money. They make more money than Daddy. But yeah, you can do what I do if you want.
Let's stand up.
Yep.
Just want to see how big is this. Wow, this is a pretty big set. Can we go over there?
In a little bit. What about electricity? Do you want to be an electrician when you grow older?
Nope. I want to be like you.
Oh, all right. Yeah. Well, it's my job to try to tell you not to become like what Daddy does, because if you really want to be an iron worker, you can be an iron worker.
I want to be just like you.
Right.
And I want to see your friends.
You want to see my friends?
And what?
Yeah, Daddy's got a terrible job.
But you got some help us to be big.
Yeah, you got that right. All right, my feet are falling asleep. I gotta get up.
Okay, let's get out of here.
All right, so here's my PEX coming out of the ground from the house. Clean this up a little bit. That made it worse. That looks better. So I got this shark bite adapter here. This will go on there. But before you put it on there, make sure you put those rings on. So here's that ring. And then I have this adapter here. This is going to be for going to the 1/2-inch PEX A. So it'll be like this. So that'll go right on there. Okay. And then from that, I'm gonna go into a couple tees. That doesn't need to be sticking out so much. So I will come out like this. So I'm having a tough time squaring that off, so I will use this fancy little thing. Try to get a nice square line here to cut. And hopefully it follows that. Yep, perfect. That's not going to seal on that. That is not going to seal on that. This is trash. These fittings are totally different. That's not going to work. That is not going to work. All right, so I'm back. So these fittings do not work with the Uponor Pex stuff. So this is 1/2 inch outside diameter. So it just flops around. Same with this. This is what I got last night at Lowe's. This isn't gonna work. This is the exact same thing. But this is 1/2 inch for the Home Depot Lowe's PEX with the crimp ring. And this is the Uponor stuff that has the compression fitting type of thing. So that's what I needed. So these don't work. I had to get these from the supply place. Luckily, they were still open while I was doing this. So let's redo this. Okay, it's pretty tight. That'll go in there. Hopefully I don't run out of these rings. I might end up redoing this once I got cabinets in here, but for the time being, this will work. I mean, I kind of wish I planned this out a little bit better, but this was kind of like, oh crap, I'm pouring this tomorrow. Let's throw this line in there. At least I got it where the sink's gonna be. All right, so I got that. So over on the other wall, I'm gonna put a water spigot. Oh, there it is.